Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We're going to talk about black cumin. Oh, black cumin is really good. But there's a secret with black cumin which I'm going to do tonight, which you can have this drink before you go to bed and one also in the morning. Black cumin, most people in Europe use it, and also there's different countries use it, but I don't think you can find that in the Caribbean. But black cumin is really good for belly fat and losing weight and be healthy. But there's another way how you can do it, and this way, which I did the research, and this is one of the best way. I'm not gonna show you how you can do this one, but boil it on the stove with ginger and lemon and honey. It's really good, but there's many ways you can do it. Some people put simple Bible inside of it. There's a lot of stuff can go in it, but this way is really good. If you can get black cumin, try and get it and do some healthy drink from it, guys. It's just amazing. So basically I'm gonna do a recipe on it. This one gonna be, or you can use black cumin to lose weight at home in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe. Visit my blog website, chefricardocooking.com or chefricardo.co.uk. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus page. Nice and lovely. So basically, guys, this is the black cumin right here. It said black cumin seed. It's really good for losing weight. Basically, as I said before, you can get it probably online, and you can get it in the local shop to buy. The Indian them like to use it, and also a lot of people in Europe like to use it, and the Asian people like to use it also. Basically, we're gonna put some cinnamon in it, ginger powder, honey, lemon. Right here, as you can see, you can use up to 16 ounces of water or 500. 2 glasses of water be fine. Alright? This is how you're gonna do it. Look at this now, guys. Basically, put a pot on the stove. Then put your water inside of it. So basically, I'm gonna just add a little bit more water to it, because I'm making a portion which can serve it for tomorrow. So basically, I full this. This is 20 ounces of water. So 23 ounces of water, 650 ml maximum. That's what I'm using at the moment. All right. Turn on my stove. Let the water start to boil first. All right. Nice. So basically, the water start to boil. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 1 large spoon. Let's get another one, because I want to make it very strong. 2 tablespoons of black cumin in the water. Give it a stir. That's the black cumin. Then we're gonna put ginger, a pinch of ginger, pinch of cinnamon in the water. Give it a stir. Then turn off your stove and leave that for 5 minutes before strain it. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, it's right in the pot here. Now it's cooled down. What I'm gonna do is simple strain it off and give it a little bit of honey in it and lemon. All right, look at this now. Nice one. So basically, I'm gonna simple strain it. Lovely. Still it could become warm same way. After honey, because we're gonna put honey in it. And squeeze off a lemon. You know what? I'm just gonna use the whole of this lemon, guys. Honestly. So we're gonna squeeze one lemon inside of it. Because I'm making a portion that can serve me for tonight and in the morning. Lovely and nice. Look at that. Squeeze out, get all of the juice out of it. Lovely. Nice one. Then a couple teaspoons of honey. Give it a little sweetening. It's still a little bit warm same way because you can put the honey in the cold when they get really cold. Give it a taste. You can taste the black cumin. That's what I need to taste. And the lemon. Lovely. That is so nice. So the first shot we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna drink half a glass of it. Alright. As you can see, that's the black cumin with lemon, ginger, and honey. Drink this for 5 mornings straight before breakfast and at night. Please, this do help you guys to lose weight. So first thing, I don't want to lose weight, I'm alright, but when I love to drink this natural stuff. So basically right here, this is the first of it, which we're gonna do. Alright. Nice one, as you can see. Let's see. So basically, this is the amount I'm gonna be drinking now. Tastes really nice. I love it. I love black cumin. Really nice. And these things really good for you. What I did, if you're a person who have a hay fever or, you know what I mean, cold, these things really good for it. As I said, the agent them used to use it for medicine back in the days. It's really nice. I love it. As you can see, I'm drinking mine. Nice, I love it. Nice one. So you can see, glass empty. So basically, now I'm gonna go to my bed. So I drink half a glass of it. I'm not gonna drink nothing else. Try to wash it down now. So when I wake up in the morning tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be drinking half of this and leave the half of it for in the evening. Alright, or I can drink it in a day. That's fine. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe ideas and things how to lose weight at home. And see you next time. Bye bye.